Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to remove rows now, so first verify you're on the right sheet and that filters or protected ranges aren't blocking edits. Click the left-hand row numbers to select full rows. Use Shift+click to extend a contiguous range and Control or Command+click to pick multiple separated rows. Once selected, pause to scan the row headers and data. This prevents accidental deletion. Make sure to check any filter views, because deleting, while filtered, can hide which rows you're actually removing. Now execute the deletion. Right-click the highlighted row numbers and choose Delete Rows XY to remove them immediately. This is the fastest approach. If right-click is restricted, open the Edit menu and pick Delete Row S. You can also use keyboard shortcuts tailored to your platform to speed the process. Once done, check adjacent row numbers and any formulas that reference those rows. Google Sheets auto-adjusts some ranges, but other functions may need manual updates to avoid broken references. Finish by validating the sheet. Scan formulas, charts, and named ranges to ensure references updated as expected. You'll catch errors before they affect downstream results. If you deleted the wrong rows, immediately press Undo or Open Version History to restore a prior state. If deletion fails, confirm you have edit permission, that protected ranges aren't blocking you, and that a filter view isn't hiding rows. One key troubleshooting tip: when edits behave oddly, revert via version history rather than manual reconstruction to preserve integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.